Welcome to the class of estimation, costing and specifications students. So, in previous class we were discussing about the two room plan for estimation of quantities of a two room plan by using center line method. So, in today's class let us see the same center line method and we will try to extract a detailed estimate for a residential building plan by given in a question. So, the question is as follows. The question is, prepare a detailed estimate for the following items of work for a residential building plan as shown in the figure using center line method. Note it down over here. Once again, here specifically he has mentioned to do this problem using center line method, as you can see over here. There are two methods for building estimate. One is long wall and short wall method and other is center line method. So, here he has specified that in the question it is specified that we need to solve this problem using center line method. And what we need to find out? We need to find out earthwork in excavation for foundation. We need to find out concrete in foundation, and also we need to find out brickwork in foundation and plinth as well as in superstructure, as well as we need to find out the brickwork in superstructure. Okay, this was the given question to us. So, as you can see, a residential plan is given on the screen. It is shown in the figure. We have over 3 bedrooms, one is drawing room, we have 2 bathrooms over here. Okay, one is the common area and its respective section is given in the section figure. The walls are of 30 centimeter thick. The plinth, what we call above the ground level, the plinth is 45 centimeter thick, and we have different foundations over here. So, what we need to do is, before beginning solving the question, let us see how to find out the center length, the total center length of the given problem. How to find out the total center length of the problem. Before this, let us write the dimensions of this plan, dimensions of doors and windows of this plan. The windows are of dimensions, the dimensions of the windows are 1.5 meter into 1.3 meter. Doors, these are nothing but main doors. Main doors are of 2.3 into 1.6 meters. D1 over here are nothing but doors which are for bathroom. Okay, 2 meter into 1.3 meter, their width will be less when compared to our normal doors. And we have ventilators, 1 meter into 0.5 meters. These are the dimensions of window, doors and ventilators. Now, our next step is to calculate the total center line. What is our next step? Next step is to calculate total center line of the building. So, let us find out center line length of the building. Center line length of the building. Okay. So, the total center length of the building will be calculated as, look at over here, this all points we need to add, A, B, it is nothing but A, B plus B, C. Okay, A, B plus B, C. Now, calculate this L, D, sorry, this is R plus L, R plus R, D. we need to add this length AB plus BC, and we have L over here, LR plus RD. Okay. Now, after this, these are nothing but horizontal walls. Okay. Now, simultaneously what we will add? We will add the vertical walls of this AL plus BR plus CD. Okay, plus CD. After this, as this section we have completed, now let us see other points. Here we have J, P, F. Okay, here we have J, P, F. Add this. Here we have I, here we have H, here we have G. So, we need to add this also. So, what we will add? JP plus PF plus IH, HG. Okay. After adding this, now let us add the vertical walls. KJ we have, MQ we have, N point is over here, O is over here. Okay. Add this plus KJ MQ. Look at the following figure and write this all values NO, and we have EF also. Sorry, I have not mentioned it over here. EF. After this, again, which horizontal walls are remaining over here? These horizontal walls are plus JI plus PH FG. So, these are nothing but center lines of the building. Now, we need to substitute the values of A, B, B, C, LR respectively. So, what are these values? These values will be obtaining from figure. So, what is the AB? AB length is 6 plus what is the BC length? 6. What is LR length? 6 plus RD length, it is also 6 plus. Now, which length we have? AL. What is the length of AL? It is 4. So, 4 plus 4 plus 4. AL is 4 plus BR is also 4 plus CD is also 4. Okay, this thing is completed. Now, go for JP. What is the length of JP? JP length is 5. The length of JP is 5. 5 plus PF length is also 5. Similarly, IH is also 5 plus HG is also 5. Then we have KJ. The length of KJ is 3 plus 3. MQ is also 3. NO is also 3. NO we have written it as 3. EF is also 3. How much? What we are writing over here? EF we have written it. Yes. Now, the last is JI. the length of ji 5 plus 3 3, which was 5, just wait a second, hg was 5, after hg kj was 3, mq was 3, no is 3, ef is 3 over here. Then we have ji, which is nothing but 4, okay, ph is 4, fg is 4, okay. If we add all this, so the center line length is, the formula is center line length of the building is equal to this all center line minus, the formula is number of junctions. What we need to do? Minus number of junctions. After getting the center line length, this we get it as 80. What we need to subtract? We need to subtract is from this total center line length, we need to subtract the common things, which is as the number of T junctions into 1 by 2 of width of one item. Width of one item. So, how many T junctions are available over here? Just look at over here. This is first T junction, 1, 2, let me change this color, okay. T junctions, this is one T junction, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, this is 11, this is 12. So, how many T junctions we have? 12 T junctions we have. So, what we need to do is, we need to subtract, we need to insert this into the formula. So, total center line length is equal to 80 minus 12 into 1 by 2 into width of one item, width of one item. So, this becomes the formula for center line length. This is nothing but the formula, basic major formula for center line length. Now, we will draw the particulars tables and we will try to fill out the values. As you know, the table consists, the first is particulars, the next is numbers, we have length, we have breadth, we have height or depth, Q is for quantity, and we have remarks. First one, what we need to find out? Earthwork in foundation. Earthwork in excavation in foundation. Earthwork in excavation in foundation. What it is? How many numbers? We will consider this all together as one number. What we will consider? 1. Okay. What is the formula for length? Length is equal to, what is total center line length? 80 minus 12 into 1 by 2 into width of one particular into width. Here which width we are talking about? As we are in excavation, we will talk about width of excavation. We will talk about width of excavation. What is the width of excavation? Look at the section. The width of excavation is 90 centimeter. How much it is? 90 centimeter. So, substitute it over here. Length is equal to 80 minus 12 into 1 by 2 into 80 centimeter, write it in meter, 0.8. It is 80 or 90? 90 centimeter. So, it is 0.9. Okay. So, when we solve this, we will get the value of L as 2 ones are 2 6 are 80 minus 6 into 0.9, we will get the value as 74.6. How much we will get? 74.6 meters. So, this length we will write it as 74.6 meters. Breadth we already know it is 0.9 meters. What is the height? Look at over here, height of excavation, okay, 40 plus 30 plus, this is nothing but this is the depth of excavation. So, 40 plus 30 plus 30, how much it is? 1 meter, okay, what it is? 1 meter. So, when we multiply this 1 into 7.46 into 0.9 into 1, we get the value of total quantity. The value of total quantity is 67.14. If we multiply all this, 67.14 meter cube. This is nothing but our quantity of excavation in foundation. And the second one which we need to find out is let us find out concrete in foundation, quantity of concrete in foundation. The number remains same, the plinth is the length is will be same as plinth, okay. The width is also same, this is also meters, this is also meters. Here only depth of concrete changes. What is the depth of concrete over here? 40 centimeter. What it is? 40 centimeter. So, write it over here, 0.4 meters. Now, multiply this 1 into 74.6 into 0.9 into 0.4. The answer will be your quantity. The answer is around 74.6 into 0.9 into 0.4. The value comes around 26.8 meter cube. What it is? Concrete in foundation. Now, let us find out the brickwork in superstructure and plinth. The third one, first of all, let us fill this table. The table is of particulars. Particulars, we have number over here, we have length, breadth, height or depth, quantity and remarks. We have remarks over here. So, what is third thing which we are finding out? Brickwork in plinth and superstructure. Let us find out the brickwork in plinth and superstructure. Okay. So, first of all, let us find out in plinth, brickwork in plinth. What is the number? 1. How to find out length? Length is equal to, okay, total center line length minus 12 into 1 by 2 into width of plinth. What is the width of plinth given to us in the section? It is nothing but 45 centimeter. The width of plinth is 45 centimeter. So, insert this in this formula. Length is equal to 80 minus 12 into 1 by 2 into 0.45. If we solve this, the value of length will be 77.3. What it is? 77.3 meters. So, write down over here 77.3 meters. Breadth is 0.45 meters. What is the depth over here? Look at this section. The depth is 60 centimeter here. Corresponding height or depth of the plinth. Height of the plinth, it is how much? 60 centimeter. So 0.6 meter. Multiply all this, 1 into 77.3 into 0.45 into 0.6. Report the value over here. If you multiply this, the value will be about 20.87 meter cube. How much it is? 20.87 meter cube. Now this was for plinth. Now let us find out superstructure. How many superstructure? 1. The length, now let us calculate the length. Length is equal to 80 minus 12 into 1 by 2 into width of wall. What we have? Width of wall. So what is the width of wall? 80 minus 12 into 1 by 2 into the width of wall is 30 centimeter, which is 0.3 meters, So the length is the length will be, if we calculate this, 78.2 meters. 78.2 meters. Substitute it over here. 78.2 meters. Thickness is 0.3 meters. You can see over here. What is the thickness? It is all given in the section, 30 centimeter. What do we mean by 30 centimeter? 0.3 meters, and we have 3.3 meters height of the superstructure. So we need to include this 3.3 meters height. Now multiply this, 1 into 78.2 into 0.3 into 3.3. The value will be 77.41. How much it is? 77.41. Write it down over here. 77.41 meter cube is nothing but your wall of it is the quantity of superstructure. From this superstructure, what we need to do is we need to make deductions. In this superstructure, what we need to do? This value, from this value there should be a deductions. Let me highlight this thing. From this value there should be the deductions for this 77.41 meter cube. From this value we need to make the deductions for doors, windows and ventilators. We need to make the deductions. So now let us calculate the deductions. What are the deductions? First of all, particulars. So particulars, this is numbers, length, breadth, height, quantity and remarks. So the first one is for doors. We have two types of doors, D and D1. Doors, which is we are abbreviating it as D. How many doors are there in the figures? As how many rooms? We have 5 rooms. Look at over here. Calculate the number of D's in the figure. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have about 5 doors. So the numbers will be 5. What is the length of the door given? Look at the first. Here it is given 1.6 meters is the width, 2.3 meters is the height. You can get from these details. Okay. So the length is 1.6 meters. When it comes to height, it is how much? It is how much? 0.3. We need to deduct it for 0.3. Height is 2.3 meters. So when we multiply this, 5 into 1.6 into 0.3 into 2.3, the value will be 5.52. Okay, 5.52 meter cube. In figures, what we can, in remarks, what we can write? We can write the size of the door. What is the size of door? Door size D is equal to 2.3 meters into 1.6 meter. This was the dimension of the door. Next we have D1 door, which we are using it for bathroom. Okay. The dimension of D1 door is 2 meters into 1.3 meters. So, how many doors we have? If you look into the plan, we have 2 bathrooms. So, there will be 2 D1 doors. 2. Okay. What is the length? 1.3. Thickness same as the wall thickness, 0.3 meters. 0.3 meters. When we talk about the height, it is how much? 2 meters. It is 2 meters. If we calculate this quantity, the quantity is as 1.56 meter cube. How much will be the quantity? 1.56 meter cube. Next, we will go for windows. Windows, we denote it with letter W. If we look into our plan, how many windows are there? If we count the W's in the plan, we have about 8 windows. How many windows we have? We have 8 windows in the plan. So, the numbers is 8. The dimensions of window, what are the dimensions of the window? The dimensions of windows is 1.5 meter into 1.3 meters, and for ventilator the dimension is 1 meter into 0.5 meters. Okay. So, from here what will be the width? See, this length and breadth two are interchangeable because it will not affect our quantity. So, here we will take the width length as 1.5 meters and we will take the width as 1.3 meters. Okay. Sorry, this is 0.3, the thickness of the wall. Height we will take it as 1.3 meters. This 0.3 remains constant. Why? Because it is the thickness of the wall. So, if we multiply 8 into 1.5 into 0.3 into 1.3, we will get the value around 4.68. 4.68 meter cube. The last is the deductions of ventilators. We denote it with letter V. How many ventilators are there in our plan? In our plan, there are only one ventilator. There is only one ventilator. The dimensions 1 meter, the length is 1 meter, wall thickness is 0.3 meters, the height or depth of the ventilator, height of ventilator is 0.5 meters, and if we multiply this, we will get the value as 0.15 meter cube. If we add this total, it becomes 5.52 plus 1.56 plus 4.68, 0.15, the value stands at 11.91 meter cube. So, this is nothing but deductions. So, the net value for superstructure, how to get the net value? Net is net quantity of brickwork in superstructure is equal to, what is the earlier quantity we have got? 77.41. 77.41 minus 11.91. What will be the value? 77.41 minus 11.91. The value weighs 65.5 meter cube. 65.5 5 meter cube. This is the net quantity of brickwork in superstructure. I hope you people have understood this problem. We have solved these detailed estimate problem of a residential building using center line method for this complex plan. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can come and meet me personally, or you can also post your queries in the comment section. Do post your attendance on time. Thank you.